Good afternoon, Sanjay. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was fantastic, sir.
How many friends did you make since you entered the SSB center?
Sir, I have made five friends till now, sir.
Only five friends. Why?
Yes, sir. Sir, because as it was a day one after the screening, so I was not able to interact much, but I interacted with my roommates a lot, sir. Very well.
Okay, can you tell me the name of your friends along with their states from which they will belong?
Sure, sir. Sir, one would be Tanmay from Haryana, and second would be Shivans Pandey from UP, and third would be Prithviraj Shah from again UP, sir, and again Sir Prashant Kumar from Haryana, and Shagun Chauhan from the UP Meerut, sir.
Okay, so Sanjay, where are you coming from?
Sir, recently I am coming from Mumbai, sir, Maharashtra.
Okay, can you tell me what is the distance between Mumbai and Bangalore?
Sir, it is around 1600 kilometers, sir.
Are you sure? 1600
Yes, sir.
kilometers between Mumbai and Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you came by train or flight?
Sir, train.
Why you did not opted for flight? It will save your time, no?
So the reason was that because I have to give time to me alone, sir, in the train. And also,
Okay,
sir, I enjoy the train a lot, sir.
you like alone time.
No, sir, I mean to say that I enjoy the journey by train because it is a long journey. I would be able to connect myself with the colleagues and also with the environment very well, sir.
Okay. So how many friends did you make during the journey from Mumbai to Bangalore?
Sir, the whole compartment was my friend, sir.
How how
Sir,
did you
because
gel
I
up with new people? Your mother did not told you to stay away from strangers and don't eat whatever they are offering you during the journey.
So it is an old saying which I believe, sir. So I interacted with the various people in the compartment. I asked the reason why they are traveling. I asked the name and what exactly they are doing in Mumbai. So we made good friends and we spent good times during journey.
Okay. Can you tell me five different professions you came across in your compartment from different background people?
Sure, sir. Sir, one man was there who was a teacher teaching at one of the Muslim school in the Bangalore. Apart from that, sir, one boy was also there who is studying engineering from the Bangalore college, sir, and who is staying in Mumbai. The third would be one lady who is working in the IT sector, sir, in the IT hub of in the IT company of the Bangalore. Apart from that, sir, the fourth would be the students again from the medical college. And one man was there who runs a shop at the Bangalore, but he has came to Mumbai for spending time with family.
Okay. So Sanjay, you mentioned that there was a girl in your compartment and she
Yes,
was
sir.
from IT background.
Yes, sir.
In which company she was working?
Sir, she was saying that she is working at the Bangalore in the Microsoft company, sir.
Microsoft.
Yes, sir.
Who is the CEO of Microsoft right now?
So if you allow me, can I guess the answer, sir? I do not know exact answer.
Okay, you can guess.
Sir, he might be the Satyanath Nadella, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes.
you mentioned that she is from Microsoft. What was her designation and what was her roles and responsibility in that organization?
So recently she has completed the BTech from the Mumbai College of VGTI College, and now sir she is working as a software developer as a junior engineer in the company, sir.
Okay. Nice, yeah. You are very good at gelling up with strangers and you have made many friends in Bangalore as well. So once you go out of this SSB center, what all things you are going to do outside
Sir, you mean to say after SSB or during the stay, sir?
after SSB? You are going to meet all these friends you made during the journey, no?
Yes, sir. So I believe that after being clearing the SSB interview, I will definitely sir do the medical, and after that sir I will meet them definitely because I have
Okay.
taken the address and also contact number. I have also said them after the result I will definitely meet you in the Bangalore city only, sir.
Okay. So you are ready to give them treat after your recommendation.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So you mentioned that there is a 1600 kilometers of distance between Mumbai and Bangalore. And in how many hours you completed this journey?
Sir, the journey was around 26 hours, sir.
26 hours. Okay. Can
Yes, sir.
you tell me the average speed of your train?
Sir, kindly allow me 10 seconds to calculate.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, it would be nearly 60 kilometer per hour, sir.
Okay. Are you sure about this calculation?
Sir, I have said approximately, not exactly, sir.
Okay. Roughly it is around 61 kilometers.
Exactly, sir.
Okay. So you are coming from Mumbai and you have mentioned here that your place of permanent residence is in Churu, Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I want to visit Churu, can you like organize one trip for me? What all places I should visit in Churu and what all things I should try there?
Sir, firstly, as you are coming from the Bangalore and I'm having the place at a Churu, so sir, firstly, I'll give you the proper rest. I will make you to have the special food of the Rajasthan, such as bajre ki roti, gatte ki sabji, and also dal bati churma. And after having rest, sir, we are going to travel a lots of places. Firstly, sir, I want you to meet with my grandfather and the farm that we are having in the village. Later, sir, we will definitely go to the Churu, visit the various Havelis, and also have a glimpse on the various sculptures. After that, sir, you will definitely enjoy the famous cuisine of the Churu, such as kachori. And again, sir, we are having the street food well. So, if I guess that your son is also visiting with us, so we will definitely go to the famous market in the Churu, where we will also purchase the new clothes. Very well, sir.
Okay, so it looks interesting. So I'm definitely gonna visit you and I'm going to call you. Okay, whenever I'm in Churu. Okay. So
Sure,
that's
sir.
the deal, okay?
Sure,
So
sure, sir.
Sanjay, we are going to have an informal conversation for next 40 to 45 minutes. Make yourself comfortable. There is water next to you. You can have it whenever you want. Okay. So shall we begin?
Definitely, sir.
Suppose you tell me about your education. In this, I would be interested in the subjects you like the most, those you did not care so much about. Grades achieved in exams, efforts put in, extracurricular and co-curricular including adventure activities and NCC training available in school or college. The events in which you took part in and special achievements. About your closest friends and why you consider them so. The people you avoid and why. Teachers you like the most and those who did not impress you much and why. Have you received any scholarship? What have you been doing since you passed out of school? You may start from class 10th.
Sir, I have passed class 10 in 2021 and I scored 94.80 percentage. And after clearing the 10th class, sir, it was very clearly in my mind that I am going to give the ND examination and will make a career in the defense forces. So therefore, I chose PCM as my core subject and appeared for class 11th and 12th. And the class 12, sir, I have scored 94.33 percentage. And also I was the topper and I also scored 99 marks in mathematics, which I assume myself as a great achievement, sir. And after clearing the class 12, sir, I also gave various examination. And during the schooling and also during the junior college time, I have participated in the various extra co-curricular activities as being a captain of the Yellow House as well, such as debate competition, science day competitions, best play, and drama, etc. Apart from that, sir, my achievement were I was able to achieve the first rank in the best play and also in the make best out of waste, I achieved first place, sir. And apart from that, sir, I also played the various games such as cricket and various games I played, sir, which are mentioned in the PIQ as well. So now if I talk about my closest friends of mine, so he would be Shivam Pari because sir, he is with me since class third and also we are belonging to the same state that is Rajasthan. And the people, those who I avoid, sir, the students, those who are not that much respectful and ambitionless students are there, whom I always avoid. And now, sir, if I talk about the favorite teachers of mine, so he would be Brajesh Kumar Shukla, who used to teach the mathematics in the class 11th and 12th, and because of his only help, I was able to score good marks. And there were no any teachers, sir, who did not impress me. Every teacher was there. I was well connected, and there was no any teacher about it, sir.
Okay, Sanjay, anything else you are missing out?
Yes, sir. So during the education, I did not take any of the scholarship. My father has supported me well, and so I believe I have completed all the questions.
Okay. So, Sanjay, you completed your class 12th in 2023.
Yes, sir.
So, what all exams you appeared in after your class 12th, and what was the result of all the examinations?
Sir, after just class 12th, I have appeared for the ND three times, and I was able to clear very well. In the first two attempts, I was conference out, and in the third attempt, I'm giving this interview. Apart from that, sir, I also given the CET examination two times of the Maharashtra, in which the first in 2023 I scored 98.40 percentile, and in the second attempt, that is in the 2024, I scored 98.66 percentile, sir. And I have also given the CUT examination. The results are pending. And I also appeared for JEE mains two times. In 2023, I scored only 87 percentile, and in 2024, I scored 96 percentile, sir. And these are the exams which I have given, sir.
Okay. And what are your plans regarding your future, like other than army? Like you have good percentile in your CUT and CET and all these things. So, in which college you are planning to take admission?
Sir, at present, I'm only focusing on the interview, sir, and my defense is only planned, sir.
Okay. Other than defense, okay. If you are not able to make it to the academy, so you
Yes.
failed multiple times earlier also. So there is a possibility that you might not get defense academy. So which college you are planning to choose?
Sir, I'm going to choose the BTech college in the Mumbai, sir.
Why?
So the reason would be because I scored 98.66 percentile in the MSc CET examination. So I will definitely give the good branch in the good college. And also the Mumbai is the IT hub. Also, sir, there are various IT industries are there. So I will definitely give the opportunity for the internship as well, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me three features of this college due to which you are opting for this college?
So the first reason would be as the college is very nearest to my home and I can easily go by using Mumbai local trains. So that I would be able to give the time for preparation for the ND one more time as well, sir. The second reason would be the environment in the college is also very good and the various departments of the defense are also there. And the third reason would be, sir, the as various extra co-curricular activities are also being there and sports area or facilities are also being provided. That are the reasons, sir.
Okay. So you mentioned that this college is near to your home. So once you get into the academy, you have to live in Pune, and after that you have to live away from your family throughout your life. So see, from your starting, you are saying that you want to stay near your home. So how you are going to cope up once you get into the forces?
Sir, I think I have not mentioned to live at my home only. The reason why I have chosen the nearest college, the reason would be because I can prepare for the NDA one more time, or if I'm not able to clear, I can prepare for the CDS and FCAT very well. So the distance travel will be well reduced, and I can live at my home very well, sir.
Okay, so suppose you get admission in a college which is far away from your home, like you got college in Bangalore. So how you are going to cope up with your plans? Like what about your NDA, CDS, and FCAT? How you are going to go about it then?
So if I'm getting the admission at the college in the Bangalore, so sir, I'll definitely use that college, and on the basis of that, I would be able to make it very well, sir. I can reduce my sleeping hours. I can focus more on the examination. I can clear it, and I can maintain very well, sir.
Okay, so you will manage anyhow.
Yes, sir.
So it is not a big factor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You mentioned that Shivam is your closest friend.
Yes, sir.
Can you define who is can you define what is best friendship or best friends?
So the best friends, those who are there, who share the emotions with you. So if you are standing at a far distance, so we can realize each other emotions. We can share our thing very well. We can cherish our old memories as we have spent a good time. Around 12 years we have been there together. And so in this way we are being there. The good friendship is there, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me three instances of where you have shared emotions and you understood each other very well without saying a word? Three instances.
Sir, currently I'm able to recall one instance such a way that we were the participants in the yellow house team of the kabaddi team, and we were not able to win the final game, sir. We have scored the second place. So we have realized that we have committed some of the mistakes are there. So we shared the emotions very well without any word, and we also motivated each other very well, sir. And apart from that, sir, the second would be that's in the class 10th. I have scored 94.80 percentage, and he has scored 93.80 percentage, sir. So that time also we were together, then we were watching the results live, sir, at home. So that time also, sir, we shared a good memories, that emotions, I would say.
Okay. One more thing.
So currently I'm able to recall these two instances only, sir.
Okay. So how do you cope up when you came across any challenges?
Sir, when I come across the challenges, I firstly analyze the situations, and calmly I can analyze the solutions, what it can be. I can make a good plan with my friends or colleagues together, and we can cope up with the challenge very well, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me three things which you don't like about your best friend, Shivam?
Sir, he is a great person with me, but few challenges are there, sir, which I don't like about him. So the first would be that he is a over committed person, sir. He always, when he take the task, he completely being absorbed in it. And second would be, sir, as he is from Jaipur, Rajasthan, so he also has a craving for the sweets, sir, which I also don't like.
Okay. Anything
So
else?
third would be, yeah, this much only, sir, which I'm able to recall at present.
Okay. So you mentioned that he has a craving for sweets and all. So this is not a big deal. Okay. Tell me something which is related to his personality, behavior, or nature, which you don't like.
Sir, he is also either person, sir, sometimes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So he is miser, and how it is impacting you, how it is bad for you, why you don't like if he is being a miser.
No, sir, if we see that as if we are living life, so we do not know that tomorrow what will happen. So we must live the whole day completely. That is my perspective, sir. Sir, when we purchase some shoes branded, sir, he purchased these 602 shoes in a year, two pairs of shoes in a year. But I always suggest him that you must use the good amount of money for the branded shoes, and it would be well helpful, sir. But he refuses for that, sir.
Okay, so you are not able to convince him.
No, sir, I'm able to convince him, and also we have done some time. But sir, the nature is permanent.
Okay, so he is not agreeing to your points that he should buy branded shoes, quality shoes.
No, sir, he agrees, but he has a different perspective. He thinks that he can use a two different quality shoes very well.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sanjay, can you tell me something about your weaknesses?
So my weakness are as follow. So the first would be always chasing the perfectionism, and second would be overcommitted person. The third would be very foodie, sir, and the fourth would be so still I'm working upon my arm strength because I can do only 5 pull-ups, sir.
Okay. So you mentioned that you're overcommitted. What do you mean by that?
So overcommitted in my life I see as, so when I take any task I completely engaged in that, sir, which increases my productivity as well. But I'm not taking care about the surrounding very well, sir, such as my physical fitness or physical health as well, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you appeared in SSB multiple times before. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me why do you want to join army?
Sir, I want to join the armed forces because I have to be 22 second PVC awardee, sir. That is my motivation.
22nd PVC awardee.
Definitely, sir.
How you are going to achieve that?
If I show my that courage, valor, and bravery towards my army and towards the operations which I would be able to get the opportunity in the armed forces, so I'll definitely get it, sir.
How many PVC awardees do you know?
So I can recall all of this, sir.
All of them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just mention five PVC awardees along with their wars and their contribution in different wars.
So the first would be the Major Somnath Sharma, who has got the PVC in the Battle of Badgaum in 1947. And second would be Major Dhyan Singh Thapa from the Gorkha Rifles. He has got PVC in the war of 1962 when he was commanding at the Arunachal Pradesh at the height of 15,000 feet, sir. And third would be Lieutenant Manoj Pandey, who has got PVC in the war of 1999 in the Kargil war. And the fourth would be, sir, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salria, who has got PVC in 1961 when he was working as peacekeeping forces in the Sudan. And fifth would be for the Captain Vikram Batra, who has got the PVC award again in 1999 Kargil also.
Okay. Nice, yeah, Sanjay. You know all the names. Great. Okay.
Yes,
So, which regiment you want to join once you get commissioned?
sir, I want to join the Gorkha Rifles without any doubt, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Why Gorkha?
because of the courage and the courage which I've seen and the motivation towards the armed forces, towards the regiment, it's absolutely immense, great, sir. That's why, sir.
Okay. What is the motto of Gorkha Rifles?
Sir, the motto of the Gorkha Rifle is better to die in spite of living life like a coward.
Quad. You mean to say coward?
Yes, sir. You can see that.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me the difference between battalion and regiment?
Sir, the major difference between the battalion and the regiment is that the regiment is there, sir, and under which the battalions are the sub units, sir. For example, if you take the example of Gorkha Rifles, there are 7 regiments, and under which there are 37 battalions, sir.
Okay. So, like, who commands battalion?
Sir, as far as I can recall, so the colonel, officer at the rank of colonel, uh, heads the battalion, sir.
And what about regiment?
So he is also colonel, sir.
Then what is the difference? Which one is bigger? Battalion is bigger or regiments are bigger?
Regiment, sir.
Are you sure?
Definitely, sir.
From where you have read this thing?
Sir, I have read with the help of various books and YouTube videos, sir.
Okay. So, how many corps and services are there in Indian Army? Arms and services.
Sir, there are 14 corps, sir, at present.
Okay. And can you name some, like arms and services separately?
Sir, in the arms, it would be the infantry, armored corps, artillery, and the corps of engineers. And the services, sir, it would be AMC, such as Army Medical Corps, Army Ordnance Corps, or Army Dental Corps, Corps of Signals. So this was only I can see that.
Okay. And can you tell me what is the organizational structure of Indian Army?
Sure, sir. Sir, the army is being headed. Sir, first would be army headquarters. Second would be command, corps, divisions, then regiments, then company, then platoon, and then section, sir.
Okay. Can you come again?
So army headquarters, command, corps, divisions, brigades, regiments, company, platoon, and section, sir.
Are you sure? After brigade, there is regiments.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who commands company?
Sir, company is being headed by the officer at the rank of the major or the lieutenant colonel, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me the NCO's rank of Indian Air Force? What happened, Sanjay? Why you are smiling?
Uh, So kindly give me some seconds, sir, to
Yeah,
recall.
take your time. Leave it. Let's do one thing. Let's make your task easier. Just tell
Yes.
me the equivalent rank of Subedar Major in Indian Air Force.
Sir, I have not read about it, sir.
Okay, so you are not aware about Indian Air Force. You are not interested in joining the forces.
No, sir, I'll definitely read it about it, sir.
Okay, so you will read about Indian Air Force now.
No, sir, I'll brush up myself, sir, as you have asked the question.
Okay, so you mentioned there are 21 Paramveer Chakra awardees. There is one Paramveer Chakra awardee from Indian Air Force as well. Okay, can you tell me the name?
Sure, sir. So flying Nirmaljeet Sekon, sir.
Flying Nirmaljeet Sikho. He was
So
flying.
flying officer. Sir,
Okay,
flying
flying
officer.
officer. Okay, flying officer. Okay, so where he was posted?
That's what I do not know, sir.
You said that you know everything about Paramveer Chakra awardees and he comes under this category. You are not interested in Indian Air Force at all, isn't it? You just want to go into the army.
No, sir, I'm interested, but the motivation to join the army is much greater, sir. That's why.
Okay, can you tell me five latest procurement of Indian Army?
So recently, the AK-203 is being transported from the Indo-Russia, the venture limited, sir, around 35,000. The second would be Zorawar light tank. The third would be the indigenous built anti-radar system, that is Rudra. And fourth would be, sir, the Rampage missiles.
Rampage
Yes, sir. This one
missiles.
is,
One more
yes, sir.
thing. One more weapon.
Sir, one more would be Striker, sir.
Okay, can you tell me the difference between radar and sonar?
So please allow me 10 seconds, sir. I'll definitely
Okay,
recall.
you must have read about radar and sonar in your class 12th, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, at one point I'm able to recall that radar system is being used in the open environment. Whereas sonar, sir, it's also being used in the water body, sir, to find the distance from the object, sir.
Okay. We cannot use sonar in open environment.
No, sir, as I have seen that the sonar being is being mostly used in the water body, sir.
Okay, so you are saying that we cannot use sonar in open environment. Have you ever heard about bats?
Yes, sir.
Which technique they use to navigate?
The same techniques, sir, sonar, the technique, sir.
So they swim underwater.
So I can, sir, also able to recall one more important point regarding that, sir.
No, tell me first this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, why you are running away from it?
No, sir. Sir, I was making correct myself only, sir. That's why.
Okay, continue.
Sir, one difference I can able to recall at present is the radar waves of the waves which are being used, sir. Electromagnetic waves are being used, and the
Okay,
sonar waves, sound waves are being used, sir. That would be the appropriate answer, sir.
okay. What is the speed of sound?
Sir, speed of sound varies according to medium, sir.
Okay, speed of sound in air.
Sir, it would be around 340 meter per second, sir.
Okay, are you sure about it?
Definitely, sir.
And what is the speed of electromagnetic waves?
Sir, it is around 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second.
What is the full form of radar?
No, sir, I don't know about it, sir.
And what about sonar?
So it would be sound, ranging, and navigation.
And you cannot guess radar from that.
Sir, the radio waves and ranging something that
Radio waves, what? Come again? You got it
Sir,
right. Why you're shying away?
sir, radio waves and ranging. Sir, radio wave ranging and navigation.
Radio detection and ranging. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Do
sir.
you know what is Greenwich?
Sir, I have studied Greenwich in the geography, sir.
Where it is? GMT. You must have
Yeah,
heard
yeah.
of Greenwich Mean Time.
Sir, Greenwich is passing through the London, sir, as far as I can recall at present, sir.
Okay. So if we are traveling from China to America,
Okay, sir.
so how this will impact our time zone? Like it will add hours into our day or it will reduce hours.
So it will definitely reduce the hours, sir.
How?
Sir, because as we know that China is on the east side and UK or the London is on the west side, sir. Also, if you are moving from the east to west, as per the concept is being inclined over there, the time will definitely reduce, sir. The time hours.
Are you sure?
Definitely, sir.
Okay. Now please tell me something about your family. Suppose you tell me about your parents, their occupation, how do you spend time together? About other members of your family like brothers, sisters, uncles, grandparents, etc. Whom do you approach for help when you have a problem? In whom do you confide? What are the activities in which you get personally involved with your
Left.
family? How much pocket money do you get and how do you spend it? What are the activities in which you participate in your neighborhood? What is the most thrilling and exciting experience you have had in the company of your family members or friends? You may start with your parents.
So my parents, my father is working as a transport businessman in Mumbai, Maharashtra only. My mother is a homemaker. And sir, I have a sibling of my twin brother is there, sir, Ajay name. Sir, he is a student. And apart from that, sir, at home, sir, we mainly discuss, we spend time by discussing or we travel to some places. And in my neighborhood, sir, I have a various friends such as the Bhim and Ganesh. And we spend time by playing the cricket very well, sir. And the most exciting moment, it would be, sir, then when, sir, we have went towards the Kalamdin Dur for trekking. It was the most exciting period, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. You are a repeater and you are not able to give complete answers to one CAQ.
No, sir, actually, sir, father has come, sir. That's why I was not able to hear, sir.
Okay, fine. So, whom do you approach for help when you have a problem? In whom do you confide?
Sir, first of all, when I have some problems, first of all, I try to resolve myself only. If I'm not able to resolve it very well, I take the help from my twin brother or my friends, sir.
Okay, so you don't discuss all these problems with your mother and father.
No, sir, I do not discuss because I do not want to increase the workload. Because now I am a grown up, so I must resolve myself only, sir.
So, you are growing at a very fast rate. You are just 17-year-old and you don't want to increase the burden on your parents. Very good, Sanjay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, can you tell me about your roles and responsibilities in your family?
So my roles and responsibilities, my family are as follow. So first of all, in the morning, I bring the milk from the dairy. Apart from that, sir, I also pay the light bills and the gas bills, sir, as well. And apart from that, sir, I also prepare a tea in the morning because everyone likes mine tea only, sir. That's why. So I also bring the wheat flour when my mother feeds to me, and also bring the ration from the DMart and the various supermarkets, sir. That only, sir.
Okay, what is the current price of potato of 1 kg?
So in the Maharashtra, sir, we are getting potato around 30 rupees per kg, sir.
Okay, in Mumbai you are getting 30 rupees 1 kg.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? In DMart you are getting 1 kilogram of potato for 30 rupees only.
Sir, we mainly purchase the vegetables from our the vendor near a building only, sir.
Okay, so he sells you at 30 rupees per kg.
Yes, sir.
And what is the current rate of wheat flour in your locality?
So actually, sir, we are transporting a wheat flour from the our village only, And sir, we are able to make, sir, we mainly go to the floor shop and we make it, sir, that in the powder form, sir.
Okay, so you must have experience, no? You must be having exposure. You visited DMart multiple times. You are carrying out responsibilities. You are bringing groceries and all. So you must have got to know about the price. What is the current rate of wheat flour in the market right now?
Sir, we take the example of the Samrat Atta, sir. Sir, the pack of 10 kg is getting around 300 rupees, sir.
Okay, so 1 kg is for how much?
30 rupees, sir.
Okay, so you pay all the light bills and gas bills of your home.
Yes, sir.
What about your brother? He doesn't do anything.
No, sir, he does very well, but sir, I be using
He
my
is
own
also
mobile
paying for
phone.
SSB,
Yes, sir.
and he is also saying the same thing in his SSB that he is paying light bills and gas bills and all.
No, sir,
Isn't it?
generally, sir, I pay.
For your SSB, you are doing all the stuff at your home, and for his SSB, he's doing all the stuff at home.
It is not like that, sir. The GPay is being opened in my mobile, so therefore I pay.
Okay,
That
what
is the
about your
main
brother?
reason.
What is his roles and responsibility at home?
Sir, basically, sir, we do the alternative, sir, technique. For example, sir, if I have brought the wheat flour, so next time the chance would be his. So generally, I
Okay,
bring.
okay, so you divide the task among you guys.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, nice teamwork.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay, so can you compare yourself with your twin brother?
Sir, if I compare myself with my brother, sir, we both are hardworking. And the second most important point is that, sir, we are the fearlessly competitor to each other, sir, at my home. And apart from that, sir, we all are, see, we both are being active in sports and as well as in the extra co-curricular activities as well. He was the captain of the blue house and I was the captain of the yellow house, sir. That only.
Okay, what about the differences?
Sir, now if I talk about the differences, so the first would be, sir, he is very cool and calm while playing game, and sometimes I become very aggressive. So that is a difference between us. Apart from that, sir, the second point would be, sir, he is more close to the mother, and I'm more close to my father, sir.
Okay, one more thing.
Sir, one more thing would be, sir, I am adventurous, enthusiastic, and he is more enthusiastic towards the spiritualism, sir.
Okay, so you are spiritual compared to him.
No, sir, he is more spiritual, sir. He reads the book of the Mahabharata and all, sir.
What about you? Why you are not interested in spirituality?
So it is my choice only, sir, because it suits my life, sir.
Your life, your choice, isn't it? So, what changes you have seen in him? Like he is following Bhagavad Gita and he is reading all these spiritual books. So, what are the changes you have observed in your brother?
So the changes which I have seen that he has able to speak more about the spiritualism, sir. He talks about the various gurus and also from the various incidents from the Mahabharata. And second point, sir, would be that, sir, he has become more dedicated towards the meditation and able to increase the sitting hours of studies as well, sir.
Okay, so you mentioned that you get aggressive. So,
Yes,
how
sir.
you cope up with this aggressiveness?
Sir, generally, sir, when I get the aggressive, sir, I cool myself. First of all, sir, I silent myself and calm myself. Then analyze the situation where exactly is there and talk to my colleagues or the friends and find the instant solution that we can do to manage the situation very well, sir.
Okay. So, Sanjay, do you have a girlfriend?
No, sir.
Why? You're
So
scoring
because
so
it,
well, you're academically performing really well, you're so charming and handsome. So, why you're not having a girlfriend?
Sir, first of all, thank you, sir, for the compliments. But, sir, I believe that at present, my main focus would be to make my career, sir. Apart from just, sir, going in that direction, sir.
So you will focus on career only. How
No,
many
sir.
female friends do you have?
Sir, I have whole class female friends, sir.
All female from your class are your friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me three differences you observed between your male friends and female friends?
Sir, as I have observed that the females were are more curious about the studies, and they are very eager to ask the questions multiple times, sir. Means they are the questioning like candidates in our classroom. And second would be, sir, the boys in a classroom are not having the good artistic approach, where the girls are having good artistic approaches such as drawing, sketching, dancing, and also singing very well, sir. And the third point would be, sir, they are more close to our teachers as they are asking more questions. And boys mainly remain having gaps, sir, between the teachers and also.
Okay, so why boys are not connected with their teachers? Why there is a gap?
So I believe that boys solve the doubts very well from the class concepts only, but the girls are always asking the question to the teachers. And even after the lecture, sir, when the teacher is going to towards the staff room, the girls mainly run behind the teachers and mainly ask the doubt instantly over there also, sir. So
Okay.
the teacher sometimes also sees that I was in a classroom, so you must have asked the doubt in the classroom itself. So that is the
Okay,
difference.
so what do you mean by that? Like girls are always chasing their teachers to ask their doubts. They always have confused mind. They don't get anything in class. This is what you want to say.
No, sir, my perspective to say is different, sir. So they are more curious and they want to study more eagerly, sir. That I want to see that.
Okay, fine. Okay, can you tell me three instances where you took unfair advantage of being a twin during your school days?
Let me recall, sir, because I am not done such things.
You must have done all these things, but you're not telling me.
So currently, sir, I am not able to recall the answer, sir. The instance.
You must have done all these activities. Just tell me mischievous activities.
Honestly, sir, we do not have done such kind of activities, sir, because we both are equal, sir. We both are well competitive. And also, sir, he does not give me opportunity to do that as well, sir.
So if he gives you the opportunity, you will do that.
No, sir, I'll see the situation
Okay,
and according to the.
just tell me three ideas how you can take unfair advantage of being a twin in school. Just tell me three ideas which you wanted to implement, but your brother, being a so obedient like student, he never give you that opportunity. Three ideas which you want to implement.
Sir, one thing would be that at times sir, when he did not complete the notes very well, and somebody has asked him, so I can make my sir. I can also help him very well, being Ajay, and I can help those candidates very well, sir.
So
This
this
would
is
be the
not
situation.
a mischievous activity. This is a very good thing. I want something mischievous. You are acting so mature. You have taken any coaching from somewhere.
No, sir,
Why are you laughing?
because sir, I'm not able to recall the instance of my life, sir, where I have taken the advantages.
I'm just asking about the ideas which came to your mind, like you wanted to implement this, but your like brother is not allowing you to do so.
So I can recall that if sir on the Independence Day on the Republic Day, sir, if he gets a chance to speak or to give the speech very well or to share his views, so I can definitely grab that opportunity, sir, at that moment to share my views and opinions regarding that topic, sir.
Okay, you will replace your brother. Like he was supposed to speak and at that event, but you replaced him and you gave your viewpoints and thoughts to audience.
No, sir. If he is not able to do that, sir. For example, if he has health issues or he is not able to speak so much on the topic, so he can. If he gives me chance, I can definitely speak, sir.
Okay.
Without permission, sir, I will not be
Okay,
doing.
Sanjay, fine. Tell me three instances where you lied to your parents. Don't tell me
Sir,
that
can you,
you never lied to your parents.
sir, liked or light, sir?
Lied. झूठ कब बोला था
That's
अपने पेरेंट्स से? Three
understood,
instances.
sir. So I can recall the situation. Sir, when I was coming from the Allahabad, sir, when I was conference out from TS entry, that time, sir, I did not get the seat in the sleeper class, sir. So I took class of the general and I sat near the washroom, sir. And my
Okay.
father called me and my father called me and asked that have you got the seat? I said that yes, yes, father, I have got the seat, but unfortunately, I was spending time near the washroom with the various peoples and friends of mine as well. So that I have lied over there. And apart from that, sir, the second would be, sir, as I have said you that I am the adventurous enthusiast. So when I go for the trekking, I do not share the complete details with my mother, sir, because she is not able to convince very well because she is more conscious that you must not go. But I convince her very well. But I also go over there, sir. And just the third would be, sir, when she was there at the village during my preparation of the NDA, sir, she was spending at the village time at the village. So that time, sir, she has asked me whether you have took the better sleep or have the food or did the household chores and all. So that time, sir, I also lied very well, sir, because I was completely absorbed in studies, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me three improvements your father wants you to make to have a good life?
So first of all, as the class 11th and 12th I have spent, so I have used my tablets at home for studies. So it makes me to improve to decrease the screen time and study from the hard copy, sir. So the second point would be to be well connected with the culture of a Rajasthan, sir. For example, wearing the kurta and pajama on the various occasions, and also, sir, doing the agriculture activities when I go to village. He wants to instill in me as well.
Okay, Sanjay, that's it.
So the third would be my father also, sir, says me to that he do not participate much in the extra co-curricular activities very well because I was well active. He also advised me to focus more on the studies apart from that, sir.
Okay. So you have mentioned reading books in your hobbies. How many books you have read so far?
So I have read around 8 to 9 books, sir.
8 to 9 books. Why 8 to 9 books? Why not 8 or 9 books? Give me the
Sir,
exact number.
I have said the 8 to 9 book because of the 8 book I have read, and currently I'm reading the 9 books, sir.
Okay, very smart. Okay. So which book you are reading nowadays?
Sir, now sir, I'm reading the Atomic Habits, sir.
And who was the author of this book?
Sir, James Clear.
Okay. How many pages are there?
So it has around 305 pages, sir.
Are you sure?
Definitely, sir.
How many books you have read so far related to defense?
Sir, I have read only one book, sir.
Which one?
Sir, the hero of the Battalic Sector, sir.
And to which hero it is dedicated?
So the book is being dedicated, Sir Captain Manoj Pandey, sir, the hero of Kargil Wars.
Okay. So you also have mentioned diary writing and all. So what you have written last night in your diary?
Sir, yesterday I have written that whatever I have did my schedule very well, sir. I wrote that only yesterday, sir. Right.
Okay. So you played cricket as well,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? So you like represented at clusters level.
Yes, sir. Glister 07, sir. Team.
Who is your favorite player?
Sir, MS Dhoni, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me five world records of MS Dhoni?
So he is the captain who has won T20 World Cup, the One Day World Cup, as well as the Champions Trophy. And second would be, sir, uh, he. So if I would be able to make guess, so he is also the captain who has played the many number of catches at the international level, sir. That only, sir, I'm able to recall at present.
He's your favorite player and you don't know about his achievements. What kind of fan you are? Okay. So suppose like you are a bowler or a batsman,
All rounder, sir.
all rounder. You bowl fast or spinner,
Fast, sir. Pacer.
pacer. What is your average speed with which you bowl?
So it is around 110 kilometer per hour, sir.
Okay, 110 kilometers per hour. So if you are bowling at 110 kilometer per hour and you release the ball from your hand, in what time it will reach batsman?
Sir, give me just 10 seconds to calculate, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it would be around 0.1 second, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
0 point
1 second, sir.
from like how you calculated this time?
Sir, as the speed is around, sir, 110 kilometer per hour. So firstly, sir, I'm going to multiply by 5 by 18. And then, sir, we know that velocity is equal to distance upon time. The distance of the pitch is around 20 meters, sir. And then the time will be taken towards that, and distance upon speed would be the calculation. 20 upon, sir, 110 into 518. It would be, sir, around 20 into, sir, 20 upon, sir, 110 into 5, sir. It would be approximately 0.1 second, sir.
Okay. What is the formula for BMI?
So the formula of the BMI is the weight upon the square of the height, sir.
Square of the height. What is your
Yeah.
BMI?
So, around 24, sir.
Is this good?
I am improving, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me one national and international news?
Sir, the national news will be, so recently we have seen that the government of India has notified to build the integrated theatre commands, and the international news would be, sir, recently we have seen that at the international level the India and Iran have signed to operate the Chahabar port for the 10 years, sir.
Who is the president of Iran right now?
So recently he has been elected. I have not read about it, sir.
You don't know his name.
No, sir.
What is the capital of Iran?
So Tehran.
And can you tell me the neighboring countries of Iran?
So Iran is being surrounded by the Persian Gulf and Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, sir, also the Tajikistan, sir. That only, sir.
Okay. So there is one port in Iran. India is building. What is the name of the port?
So Chahabar port, sir.
Okay. And where is Park Strait?
Do not know, sir.
And Strait of Malacca?
So it is there in the Indian Ocean, sir.
Where? Indian Ocean is very big. Below India, everything is Indian Ocean. You are playing smart.
Sorry, sir, I have committed a mistake over here. Sir, the state of Malacca is there in the Pacific Ocean near the Philippines, sir.
Near
In that portion.
Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Uh, no, sir.
Why you're not sure? And why, if you're not sure, why you're guessing? Why you're trying to confuse me?
Not at all, sir. The probability of the good answer, the right answer would be high. So therefore, sir, I said this answer, sir.
So
But
you are
I'm not.
taking, you are ready to take chances.
No,
You
sir.
are ready to sacrifice your like attempt.
No, sir. I will not be sacrificing, sir.
Okay. Where is Strait of Malacca? Fast.
Sir, I'm not sure about it, sir.
What about Spratly Islands?
Do not know, sir.
Okay. So you have appeared 3 times or 4 times before. This is SSB. What went wrong in your last attempts?
Sir, in the last attempt, my approach towards the SSB was not that much correct, sir.
Like,
Sir, if I take the example of the GTO task, sir, in my life, sir, I have always been topper and always been competitor very well, sir. So in the SSB also, sir, my approach was that I must be the first. I was over dominated in the GD, GP, and PGD structures. That was not up to mark. But I have realized that, sir, in the army, we need to complete the task in a group manner. So this time I changed my approach, and I will be performing well on the tomorrow, sir, GTO day one, sir.
okay, now you know the like importance of cooperation and support, teamwork, unity, camaraderie, and brotherhood.
No, sir, it was being known by me in the earlier also, but I was not able to apply very well in the given situation, sir. I was taking my group ahead without being knowing that group is coming or not, sir. That was a major problem I was making in the previous attempt, sir.
Anything else you introspected from your last attempts which hindered your recommendation?
So I believe that my writing speed is very slow, and also it is not good handwriting. So I improved it well, and I was able to complete the SRTs more this time as compared to the previous one. And apart from that, sir, the last time I was not able to perform in the GD as well. The qualitative point were not being there. So that the improvement which I've done, sir.
Okay, how did you prepare this time?
So I introspected myself, being aware about myself, and also talk to the various recommended candidates. And in our in our colony, in our colony only one Ankur sir is living, who has given the various attempts for the SSB. So I talked to him and I got the insights about the SSB, sir,
Okay.
about myself, sir.
Anything special you did for this particular SSB?
No, sir.
Okay, so nice talking to you, Sanjay. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, Sanjay, all the very best for your future task ahead. We'll meet on the conference day. Okay, do perform well in your GTO. Okay,
Thank you a
you
lot,
may
sir.
leave now.